Feeling like the phone is winning at dinner? And you are talking to the top of someone's head instead of their eyes? Been there. This is one night, two angles, and how presence sneaks back in without a fight. The apartment smells like garlic and warm bread. Keys drop, shoes off, soft thud of the couch. Blue light on his face, thumb moving, that tiny smile he saves for dog videos. Dinner is ready. You say it once, then twice. No answer. Plates are hot, pasta steaming. Your chest does that little tight thing. You wipe your hands and walk over. Not a speech from the doorway. Close. You sit beside him so his shoulder feels you before his brain catches up. One slow breath with your head on that shoulder. Welcome home, said without words. Your eyes follow the screen for a beat. What are we watching? He tilts the phone. 10 seconds of nonsense together. You both laugh, small and real, and some of the tired shakes off. You let that land and make it easy to say, yes. 2 more and then come eat with me. I saved your favorite corner of the bread. You are not saying you are ignoring me. You are saying what you want. A place to land.
He takes the 2 and actually stops at 2.
The phone goes face down on the armrest. You walk to the table like a small team. At dinner, you keep your eyes where you want his eyes to be. You ask for the headline of his day, best and worst.
He talks about the coworker who never stops emailing.
You listen like he is the only channel. When his shoulders drop, you give one slice of your day, not a whole list. The phone stays put. Tonight it is background, not the main character. The quiet truth sneaks in. When you step into his world for a beat, leaving it is not a loss. When you invite him towards something specific, he has a reason to move. Attention feels like love, and warm invitations work better than alarms.
The next night is the mirror, table set, posture keeping warm. You are at the stove finishing the sauce while she leans on the counter. Phone up. Laughing with the group chat, you say dinner is ready. She says just a sec, it stretches, you know that stretch. You take a breath, grab a glass of water and walk over. Not from across the room, close. You sit beside her on the stool. So you share the same frame. Who are we laughing at? She tilts the screen. You let yourself laugh too. Then you offer an easy trade. 1 more and then come sit with me. I want your eyes for 10 minutes. Best and worst of your day. She looks at you, not through you. 1 more becomes 1 more. The phone goes on the charger by the window. You sit together. You ask a real question, the kind that needs a few sentences. What was the moment you felt most like yourself today? You stay quiet until she is done. When her fingers drift toward the phone by habit, you tap the back of her hand. Your small code for join me. Not yet, then she smiles and stays. Another evening, you try a different move. You kiss her cheek at the door and say 2 minutes to land on the couch, then the table. You tap a tiny timer. When it buzzes, you hold out a hand. She takes it. The phone does not have to be a fight to lose. You feel the shift. Scolding shuts doors. Soft joining opens them. A clear invite is easier to follow than a vague stop it.
Zoom out for a second. The phone is not the villain. It is a doorway. Some nights you step through it to catch your breath. Some nights you hide behind it because the day was too loud. What brings you back is not a long rule book. It is small rituals that are easy to repeat. A hello at the door that is skin to skin, even a hand squeeze. 2 minutes to land on the couch together.
Phones face down for the first 10 minutes while you eat.
1 good question each. A gentle countdown that is a promise, not a threat. 2 more and then come eat with me.
The insight is simple. Presence is not a grand gesture. It is the trade of 90 seconds of scroll for 90 seconds of eyes and voice. Join for a beat, then invite. Name what you want, not just what you hate. Most nights, that is enough to change the weather of the room. The pasta stays warm, the blue light fades, and the people you chose are right there in reach. If you enjoyed this video and had some insights for yourself, subscribe to watch more like this. Leave the comment which you want to see next.